Hey there everyone, today we are going to talk about loratadine, which is a kind of antihistaminic drug. Four things that you must have to know is that it is an antihistamine drug which is similar to cetirizine, levetiracetam, and when you are going to take loratadine, it may also make you feel sleepy but less sleepy as compared to cetirizine or other antihistaminic drugs. Note, do not take alcohol when you are taking loratadine, and stop this medication. Means stop using loratadine 3 days before taking an allergic test, as it will affect the result. Now we are going to understand that where we can use loratadine and what must be the amount of loratadine. When we are going to treat allergic condition in an adult, then we require 10 mg of loratadine once in a day or 5 mg twice in a day. When I am talking about the children of 2 to 12 years, in that case when their weight is less than 30 or approx 30, then in that case you can use 5 mg once daily. And when I am talking about the children having weight more than 30 kg, in that case we can use 10 mg once daily. Children above 12 years just receive the same dose as the adult receive, that is 10 mg once daily or 5 mg in divided dose. Special precaution means where you have to monitor the patient, under which condition you have to monitor the patient when you are using loratadine. First, severe hepatic and renal impairment patient, when they are taking loratadine, they are to be monitored. Children are to be monitored, pregnant women are to be monitored while taking loratadine, and similarly lactating women are also to be monitored when they are taking loratadine. If you are practitioner, then you have to do a patient counseling and you have to tell the patient that if you are taking this drug may cause dizziness, and if affected, do not drive or operate machineries. Now I am going to talk about drug interaction. If you are using loratadine along with ketoconazole, fluconazole, erythromycin, clarithromycin or cimetidine, then in that case loratadine will generally increase the plasma level of following drugs. And if the plasma level of following drugs may increase in your blood, then it can cause drug toxicity. Hence try your best to avoid it. Adverse drug reaction or possible side effect of loratadine are listed below. First is drowsiness, second nervousness, headache, somnolence, fatigue, palpitation, tachycardia, dry mouth, abdominal pain, hypotension, nausea, vomiting, gastritis, a kind of inflammation in your stomach, alopecia, jaundice, hepatitis, hepatic necrosis, weight gain, elevated liver enzyme, increased appetite and rash. Note that when the liver enzyme will elevate in your body, in that case your food may get digested soon, hence your appetite may increase, and as your appetite increases, your weight will increase or you will gain the weight. The brand names of loratadine that are available in Indian market are listed below. You can just select out or find out the brand that you are using. Now the video is about to end here, and I am requesting you that if you are doctor, nurse, pharmacist or any other student belonging to medical fields, then kindly subscribe the channel, hit the like button, share it with your friend. Okay, bye bye.